What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Coils. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you are returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by again. Well, as you guys can see in the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own interlocking tool. Now, this is a very simple, easy way to make your own interlocking tool. It works perfectly, and it's just a great little tool to have if you are doing your own micro lock. So stick around if you would like to see how to make your own interlocking tool. To make your interlocking tool, you will only need 3 items. You'll need to purchase a 7 centimeter plastic yarn needle from an arts and crafts store, and then you will also need a nail file and a nail clipper. So I purchased my 7 centimeter plastic yarn needle from Michaels. That's my local arts and crafts store. But I'm sure if you guys go to your local arts and crafts store, you will find one over in the knitting and yarn section. But I love how they come in a pack of 2, and they're really inexpensive. So once you have taken out your needle, you're going to want to go ahead and cut it with a nail clipper. And you're going to cut it right in the center. And then you're just going to want to smooth out that rough edge so that as it's passing through your locks, it doesn't rip or take out any of your hair. So that's where the nail file comes in. You're just going to file down that edge until it's kind of coming to a soft point. So I use the rough side of the file to file it down to the size that I want it. And then I flip it over to the soft side to kind of buff it out to make sure that there are no nicks in the tool, because you don't want it to snag your hair as it's passing through your lock. So this is what the interlocking tool should look like so far. We are almost finished. So now we're going to take the piece of needle that we clipped off, and we're going to pass it through the eye of the needle. And what that's going to do is that's going to make the eye of the needle wider. So as our micro locks are passing through the eye of the needle, it does not snag the hair. So I'm just kind of pulling and tugging on that long piece of the needle just to stretch it out. But be careful not to go too crazy with that, because you can tend to put a crack in the bottom of the eye of the needle, which could potentially cause snagging. Okay, and so the very last thing I usually do, and this is optional, is I just bend the middle of the needle just so that as my tool is passing through the lock, the center of the root, it passes a little easier. And this is completely optional. You do not have to do this step. But you are finally finished with your interlocking tool. And see, that was really simple, very easy. You don't have to be a whole professional to do this. So yeah, I hope this was helpful, and thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, or if this video helped you in some way, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This just lets me know that you all are enjoying the content and you would like to see more. And go ahead and press the notifications bell so that way you are always updated on whenever I am posting a new video. And that's all I have for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday. Thanks. Bye-bye.